Okay, welcome back. I know it's been long. The usual spiel about burnout and stuff. I'm yelling because there's someone doing the lawn next door, so I don't know how well you'll hear me over that, but we're gonna try it. Now today, yeah, I'm only wearing one knife, but we're gonna talk about that first. Here we've got Cisco Western Bowie. This is the carbon steel version. It took the bluing really nicely. It looks really nice and antique. Got a leather sheath. Now, I'm talking about that first because this is the only knife we're doing that comes with a sheath today. This doesn't count. You'll see why I'm wearing this later. But for $20, this is probably the best knife you could buy. But for about 7 times that, we have a type of knife that would essentially be a contemporary. Yeah. If you don't know, the Cold Steel Espada XL is actually it's a type of Navaja, Spanish knife that I can't do anything cool with apparently. A Spanish knife that may have influenced the Bowie. This is the OS 10A version. I didn't feel like spending $400 on a folder, so we're gonna put. This isn't a real versus. This is more of a comparison. Also, I'm wearing the hat because I want to. My hair's being uncooperative. So we're gonna just go forward. Now you can't really expect a folder to do the same thing a fixed blade can, but we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna start with the Bowie. I'm better with these. Again, we're not going too crazy with this stuff because one is a folder and I don't want to find its limits. I don't want to break my stuff, first off. Okay. Now. Okay, that was on a thinner part and I did that intentionally because, well, like I said, folders are definitely, like, it may be a triad lock, which is ridiculously strong, but that still means there's more points of weakness. I don't know where that dog is right now. I brought him out here. Nixon, come! We'll see if he shows up. Back to what we were doing. Since I cut off that piece with the Espada, makes sense to do the same with the Bowie. Like I said, we're not doing huge logs today, because like I said, there's more points to fail for the folder. Yeah, I'm going to try to have that be the last time I say that, but no promises. So more points of failure. Obviously you're not going to want to push it as hard, so we're going to take it easy. Now we're going to split these. First with the Bowie. How do you like that? I brought that dog out here and he's nowhere to be found. Can't really expect anything different, anything else, because this is really freaking good. As always, the links will be down in the description below. The baton, the piece we chopped off of each. I should have pointed that out. The only reason I do this, triad lock, as most of you know, probably coming here, but I'm just explaining. There's a lot working against me today. There's a lot working against me today. Here's the dog. Next up, feathering. Hang on. Come on. You haven't seen him. Haven't seen him in a while, have ya? That perfectly encompasses what this whole video is. Awesome. Alright. But you know I can't just call you over and not hitch anything. Here, boy. Come on. dog. There's the mower again. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know, there's a lot working against me, but I do not give up. Now the Bowie, of course, feathers pretty nicely. Hang on. Okay. Bowie feathers pretty nicely. See? And now you're gonna find out why I wore the Eldridge today. Because you know I do the ferro rod striking, but there's a bit of a problem. To my knowledge, this one's not great. Yeah, nothing doing. You can do that till the cows come home. You're not getting a spark. So, let's compare it with the Eldridge, and don't worry, it's damp out here. Which sparks freaking amazingly. Having trouble, this wood isn't completely dry. Oh boy, we're gonna be here a while. Just as I get it going, I knock it off and extinguish it. But yep. Fire safety. I said it's damp out here, but still being safe. Now, the Navaja. Almost forgot which pocket it was in. Yeah, it got caught because that's another thing for deployment. Almost forgot to point that out. Alright. This is, as you can see, this is the exact same piece of wood. Curls are falling off, but wow. I think this one is actually curling a little better. Didn't get as good of a stick on the other side, but that's okay. There's a stump there I put it on, so don't worry. I didn't just put it on the ground. Almost. Bit easier. Alright, what's next? Oh. Got some Rose of Sharon here. We're gonna try slicing with both of them. First up, Cisco. Perfectly. Oh. Perfectly capable. Now, Spada. Again, perfectly capable. And it cut into it a little bit. Not bad. That's about it, but for fun. I'm a bad knife thrower. That's why I did it so close. But You can't see him. One sec. You can't see shit. Yep. Quite good, hey? Like I said, this isn't truly a versus because there's not really going to be a winner. We're just seeing how they match up with each other. And given everything, they perform pretty equally. I have to say though, for comfort in the hand while swinging, I gotta give it to the Bowie. It's just designed for that better. The Navaja, this is a great grip for hacking and whatnot, but it is an improvised thing. This has the first and foremost fold. So, but that foldability is great for convenience. If you're wearing a Bowie, everyone's seeing you wearing a Bowie, but this, if you had to conceal it for whatever goddamn reason, I don't really care for concealable stuff like that. Like, I'm not trying to pull off an assassination. So, Nix, what do you think? He's just happy to be here. So, that's the video today. I hope I could do more of this, and sorry I wasn't so high energy. I kind of got an infection in my finger. Kind of made swinging hard because it's on my right hand. Yeah, got wisdom teeth removed and I wasn't given enough time to rest. So, that'll happen. But I'm going to try to truck on because I'm getting some energy back. And that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Nix, say goodbye.